Today we are discussing about classification of computers and applications of computers. First, classifications of computers. Computers can be classified into three on the basis of data processing techniques. That is analog, digital and hybrid. This classification is based on the data processing techniques. First one, analog computers. In analog computers, continuous quantities are used or analog signals are used. Then that is the input and output will be analog. Then here computations are carried out with physical quantities such as voltage, current, temperature, etc. Disadvantage of this analog computer is its limited accuracy, and these analog computers generally used in the chemical plants for monitoring temperature, pressure, voltage, etc. Then second one, digital computers. Digital computer works on discrete data or digital data. Then these digital computers are faster than analog computers and more accurate also. And this digital computers works on the digital data such as numbers. Then third one, hybrid computers. Analog computers means in analog computer continuous quantities or analog signals are used. In digital computer, discrete data or digital data is used. Hybrid computer. Hybrid means combination. Then what is hybrid computers? Hybrid computer means it is the combination of analog computer and digital computer. Then this hybrid computers is used in hospitals where analog part is measuring the patient's heartbeat, blood pressure, temperature, etc. And that information is received from, and the information received from this device is supplied to the digital part to generate record. That is, and the analog part is measuring the temperature, pressure, etc. And this information is received by the digital part and it is generating the report. Then analog means continuous quantities are used. Digital means digital data is used or zeros and ones. Then in hybrid means it is a combination of analog and digital data. And then digital computers. And this digital computer again classified into special purpose and general purpose. That is, digital computers classified according to the purpose wise, that is special purpose and general purpose. Then classification of digital computers based on size and performance wise is microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer and supercomputer. Then first classification of digital computer based on the purpose wise. Purpose wise, what are the classifications? Special purpose and general purpose. Then what is special purpose computer? Special purpose computer means that computer is designed only for a special task or only for a special purpose. For example, blood pressure monitoring system. This blood pressure monitoring system means that system is only used for measuring the blood pressure. Then second one, general purpose computers. General purpose computer means that computer is used for multiple applications or countless applications. These computers are versatile. Versatile means different types of application. That is, the general purpose computers are used for different types of applications. Next, classifications of digital computers based on size and performance. What is the classification of digital computers based on the size and performance wise? This microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer and supercomputer. Then first one, microcomputer. This microcomputer also known as PC. What is the full form of PC? Personal computer. It is based on microprocessor technology. Then these PCs are designed as a single user system. This PC is designed as a single user system and these systems can be connected together to form a network. We can connect different PC to form a network. Then the second one, mini computers. Mini computer is a multi-processing system or a multi-user system and supporting 4,000 users simultaneously. And these mini computers are used by the small companies. Small companies are used by these mini computers, and it provides centralized store of information. For storing the centralized information, small companies are using this mini computers, and it is supporting 4,000 users simultaneously. That's why it is a multi-user system and multi-processing system. Third one, mainframe computers. Mainframe computer is a very large computer, and it is supporting 50,000 users simultaneously. Large companies are used by this system. For example, for the airline reservation, this mainframe computer is using. Then fourth one, supercomputers. Supercomputer is a fastest computer, and the supercomputer is designed only for a special task or specialized application. For example, weather forecasting, scientific simulation, etc. Now, what are all the computers designed by India? Supercomputers. India supercomputers are Param, Yuva, Eka. Which is the fastest Indian supercomputer? Pratyusha and Mihir is the fastest Indian supercomputer. Next, classification of PC. Depending on size, speed and memory, PC is classified into two, that is desktop and portables. What's the difference between desktop and portables? Portables can be used while traveling, but desktop cannot carry it around. That is the difference between this desktop and portables. What are all the portables? Yeah, tablet, notebook, laptop, etc. are the portables. Then next one, applications of computers. Nowadays, everywhere we can see the applications of computers. Whatever areas we are taking, schools or banks or office, everywhere we are using this computer. Then what are the uses of these computers in these areas? First, schools and colleges. What are the uses of computer in schools and colleges? Yeah, for preparing ID cards, creation of mark cards, attendance, learning subjects with audio and video, and fees collection, etc. Then what is the use of computer in bank? Yeah, creation of bank accounts, transaction, sending message, then in ATM, online banking, etc. These are all the applications in bank. Then in office, it is used for documentation of the transactions, fund transaction, salary calculation, etc. Then in stock exchange, for selling and buying stock and for money transaction, etc. Then in researches and development, the new inventions are implemented with the help of computers. Entertainment and news. News are telecasted live immediately with the help of computers. In government office, all the transactions of government and information are being obtained in the website of government, and we can do the transactions in that through that website. Then in satellite communication, then for book publishing, then traveling. GPS and all very useful in traveling and all, in hospitals. Patients, we preparing patients record and all, in very useful in hospitals. Then CAD CAM. CAD CAM means for designing the tools. For designing tools, CAD means computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing. All these are the applications of computers.